Innovation Hour. Welcome to our last screencast. This is screencast number 7. I don't have any new information for you guys this week, so I just wanted to touch base with you again to make sure everybody was clear on what's expected. The last official day of our class is going to be May 13th. Seniors, I need everything from you by May 13th at 2 p.m. because I have to get everything graded and submitted. Juniors, freshmen through juniors, you guys do have a little bit longer, but please don't procrastinate. And if you do turn something in after May 13th, you need to send me an email because I will stop all grading after May 13th at 2 p.m. unless you tell me otherwise. Okay? If you guys have questions about that, please let me know. Just as a reminder, our Zoom link. I will be live on Zoom every Tuesday and Thursday from 12 to 12:30. However, I guess I should update that because since our last day of class is Wednesday, the last day for our Zoom link, I'll go ahead and do it on Thursday for the underclassmen, but this will probably be our last week for the Zooms. Unless you guys have questions, if you guys do have questions, please let me know. And I will be more than happy to schedule an additional Zoom for you. Okay? Just a reminder what's due this week. Your 30-day challenge reflection assignment is due. This was introduced to you guys last week. Please let me know if you have any questions. The grading rubric is right here for you, so you guys can go through. This is exactly what I'm going to use to evaluate it. So you guys go through and read it. I don't hate to bore you with reading it all to you when it's right here that you guys can read. And if you remember, I did put a sample website up for you guys to look at. And this is you need to answer, what was my challenge? How was it a stretch? The LAQ portion. What did I learn? What action did I take to learn it? What questions do I still have? Roadblocks or problems that you encountered during the 30-day challenge. And then what you learned about yourself, your personality, kind of go a little deeper than just, I learned how to sew. Okay, what did you learn about yourself through the process as well? So this question is asking you guys to go a little bit deeper. I like pictures. I like videos because I included a video here for you guys to see and then also pictures. So be sure to look at my sample. Remember, you need to retitle the first page Final Reflection. Give your 30-day challenge its own title. You guys can, I changed the background for this page. There's lots of fun things you guys can do through Google Sites to make this more personalized and connect better to your topic. So please be sure that you review this rubric before you submit your final. So you guys can see basically it's 10 points for each piece. So in addition to creativity, clarity, and organization. So guys, I want to stress to you all, if you have any questions at all, please visit me on Zoom Tuesday or Thursday. I'm going to restate my final Zoom meeting will be this Thursday. I will not go back on Zoom again next week. But if you guys still have questions, I will be more than happy to schedule an additional time for you. So seniors, congratulations, you did it. I can't wait to, hopefully we'll get to have a graduation and I'll get to see you guys again and give you guys an official congratulations. But guys, I'm very proud of you. I'm very sorry for what has happened with this class. It definitely did not go the direction I was hoping this semester. But I hope you guys have had a good experience with your 30-day challenge, and I hope that you have learned something from it. So best of luck, freshmen through juniors. I'll see you guys in the fall. Seniors, I just wish you the best. So guys, let me know if you need anything, email or Zoom. So bye.